In this video, I want to talk about hydroelectric power plants. I want to give you an overview of the hydroelectric power industry. We're going to look at the 4 common types of hydroelectric power plant. Then we'll take a brief look at the different types of hydro turbines that are used within these plants. If we look at how much electricity we generate, hydropower accounts for about 16% of all of our generation capacity. That's larger than all of the other renewable sources combined. This includes wind, solar, biomass, geothermal, etc. First one is a conventional type power plant, also referred to as a dam type power plant. This is where we dam, which means to stop or restrict the flow of a body of water, and then we allow a reservoir to accumulate upstream of our power plant. We can then allow this body of water that's in the reservoir to flow through our power plant in order to generate electricity. This is quite a unique type of hydropower plant because we're going to generate electricity when we allow a body of water to flow down from a high elevation to a lower elevation. But then, when the price of electricity is quite cheap, we're going to pump the water back up to a higher elevation. This makes a pumped storage power plant quite unique. Let's have a look at the 3 main types of turbine that you're likely to see within these power plants. The type of turbine employed within a hydroelectric power plant depends upon the availability of flow and the head of pressure. The head of pressure is the difference in elevation between the headwater of the power plant, which is the body of water upstream of the power plant, and the tailwater of the power plant, which is the body of water downstream of the power plant.